Once we got into it, a lot of the kids, so you usually had 24 to a classroom setting.
Okay, yeah.
And so I'd have usually about 6 per corner.
Okay.
And as soon as one got done welding, they would check their score, see how it come out. And the next one immediately, I can do better than that. And so that became a roundabout competition. But as it did, they were getting better and better and better. And then we used that in our sophomore when we did actual welding. We do stick and wire welding. At the time, this was only the wire welding that we were using. And it was the same way. But what I saw was that the kids were getting prepared to go into the shop a lot faster. And the nice part of it was we were using a lot less wire, metal, and our expendables that were having to throw away, that we had to purchase to throw away. We cut our expenses a great deal, which then left more money in my balance that I could use for a budget.